Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to set up a WordPress website in HostGator. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my HostGator course within my university for free. Inside this HostGator course, you will learn things like how to get started with your HostGator shared hosting, how to set up and manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance in HostGator. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. A WordPress site on HostGator, just go to Settings, then Advanced, and click on cPanel. Click on Manage next under cPanel. Now look for Software and below it click on WordPress Manager. Now click on this blue button Install. To start installing your WordPress site, make sure to always use HTTPS. Select your WordPress or your domain name. For the WordPress version, I always use the latest one, and I recommend you do the same. Give your WordPress site a name and a description, and select your username. Give your WordPress site a password. Enter your email address, and from this drop-down menu, you can select your WordPress site language, and from here you can install some of these plugins, all of them. Under advanced options, you can modify your database name or table prefix, and which I don't recommend for beginners. And now click on install. After no more than a minute, my WordPress site is installed successfully. Coming soon. To launch your new WordPress site, just log into your WordPress control panel. Click on login. Exit this WordPress setup process. Inside caching, click on purge all. Now visit your WordPress site, and there you have it. Your WordPress site is successfully installed on HostGator. That was all for this video. To encourage me create more tutorials, click on the like button and make sure to subscribe.